Right guys, just up to the front sway bar links, so it just all falls into place like that, and we just need to tighten all these down on here and there, and on the other side as well. So that's how they've come out a lot better than the stock ones. Even though I've got these zinced on the stock ones, I'm just keeping these because it's better than factory, I suppose, and they're poly mounts, not rubber. So redo every bush in the car. I want the car to feel brand new. It's the whole theme I'm going with it, so I'm going to stick with it. So that's what I've got going there. I'll tighten all those up, then I'll get my coilovers and I'll drop them in, and I'll get the front hubs and we'll put them on too. Then it's just the wheels and connecting the in and out of tie rod, and then yeah, it's steering, and we can put wheels on it and lift it up, and yeah, get it ready for rolling around pretty much. So it's getting there. Rightio guys, so these are the new MRP Coilovers. They're just loosely tightened up in there, fully adjustable dampener, so that's all sweet. So the brake holder goes on that side, so that's like that. Yeah, so we're just gonna go put them brand new knuckles on, and then we'll show you the video after that. Right guys, so this is how it's come out with all the new hub zinc bolts with the fender strut brace, also lower mount, low control arm brace. It's coming up quite nice, to be honest with you. It's all just loosely done up in terms of all the hub and everything, but yeah, that's how it's coming out. It's looking really nice. After that, I'll probably put all the brake lines in and sort all that out, and have it all ready to go. So I'm just going to go over and do the other side. So coilovers are in. I'm just going to show you guys how I put in my hubs, so front hubs. So I'll show you that, and yeah. So right guys, got my all of it here, all new bearing pressed in. So I'm just gonna line all that up. First thing I'll do is get that bolt in there. See how much flex that sway bar's got on it. Quite a bit of flex, if you ask me, but better than what it was. So in my eyes, it's a lot better. So I'll put all my bolts and bags and my zinc stuff.
So this one's there, just your normal half OZ bags.
So I got all my bolts and all zinced up. So that's in. Just needs a bit of a wiggle. Once I get the last one in, it will straighten it out.
If worst comes to worst, you can just use the old miller.
So I'm using my foot here, pulling it. It's not quite. Boom. So it's in. So that's just showing you what that's like. I'm just gonna come over here and into it. Done. So all the steering's all hooked up temporarily. I'll put it in a spot under here.
These ones here will just go way back with the mallet. They're almost there. It's just caught on that little wee lip there. So.
Well, I'm going to line them all up as best as I can. And then once I've got it all good, then they should just pop through like that, like butter, but some of them need a bit of persuasion, so that's alright, we'll get there in the end. So it's all looking nice and fresh, so that's that. Pretty mint. I got my brakes, so I've got to rebuild and get powder coated. They're all getting done too. Might as well go all out on the car. I'm at this point already, so it's not that hard to go that extra little bit further. So yeah. Right guys, so I've just chucked the tyre on just to have a wee look at it, how it's coming out. Hasn't even got, it's not even sitting on the ground yet, and it's already, you know, she's got some gap. I'm not going to use these rims, but it's looking quite nice, to be honest. So I got that. I haven't set the heights or anything, they're just
Camber's still relatively
they're just where they are. I might lower it tonight, I'll see, and put it on the ground, because to be honest, all the work that we've done is it's pretty much done underneath. The rest we can just get with the ramps. Just a couple wee small things we have to do. Put the engine bay mount down there. So everything else is done. It's all done up.
Next big job's to take all the rear off and do all the rear arms.
Yeah, we've taken some rear arms already in to get powder coated, but it's the arms are different for a 4-age 92 to EE90 because you're putting brake rotors on, not drums. So they're a little bit different. 2 arms are on each side. So I've just got them powder coated, the other ones, and then I'll let my brother use them for his car when he decides to refresh it. But yeah, that's how it's coming up. Not too bad, I suppose. We were getting there, so yeah.